a content creator at Doro, and today I'm going to be unboxing our new Doro HearingBuds. Here we have the box with the model information on the bottom, then the key features on the side such as the sound enhancement that doesn't block out your surroundings and you can wear them in either ear, with the bonus features on the back and a small product picture. The hearing app has 3 different profiles on it that you can see here, and it works with Android and iOS. Inside the box it comes with a quick start guide in this little case, some different sized hearing bud tips so that you can customize the fit for your ears, the plug and the cable for charging the hearing buds, and then the case itself. This has a lovely feel to it and is really light. And you can see the hearing buds. Getting started is really simple. You need to install the app, and then once it opens you need to give it permission to use Bluetooth. For the Bluetooth pairing you need to have the hearing buds on and the app open, then you press and hold this small button until the blue light starts flashing. And you take the hearing buds out of the case and follow the on-screen instructions. Once they've found the hearing buds you just click connect and then you're good to go. The onboarding screens have some lovely information about the hearing buds, including how to work them, what the different lights mean, how to charge them, and also how to get used to using them for the first time so that you understand the product. The first time you open the app you get a tour of the different profiles. It explains how they work, how to use them and how to get the most out of them. The different hearing profiles have a side panel you can open so that you can adjust the focus range and also fine-tune them to adjust the sound to your ears. If you want to get a truly personalized experience from the hearing buds, you can take the hearing test in the app. You need to find a quiet room to sit down, and then it plays a series of tones that you click when you hear them, and it will adjust the hearing buds to your hearing level. The hearing buds were really comfortable to wear and they sat really nicely in my ears, as well as being really lightweight. So there we have it, a wonderful product that enhances sounds without blocking out your surroundings so that you can hear life more clearly.